Good evening Jessica, you look lovely, I like to sing. I used pink bathrobe I bought on eBay, tell me why I bought that elf alarm clock.
I don't know Barack, you tell me why, but I'm going to order a banana split 400 chocolate fudges and you can pay, you rich bastard.
Haiku, excuse me, I sneezed, oh god, I snorted all over my shirt and my new shoes. Oh Bob Sagat.
I like your snots, they are very tasty, and give me some more please.
Okay, give me some pepper.
Okay sweetie, then I can lick you dry.
Aku, oh shit, sorry, all over your face.
It's okay, I have got a massive tongue, slurp slurp, that's my dinner.
Wait, my cabbage tastes like shit, oh wait, it is shit, haha, silly me.
Oh, you now you pay, poor.